Freelancers are turning client projects into recurring monthly income right now. And the crazy part is, they're doing it using projects they already built months ago. Most freelancers finish the app, send the invoice, hand over the code, and move on to the next client. But the client keeps paying every single month for hosting, deployments, infrastructure, databases, and cloud usage after the launch. That monthly money usually goes to cloud providers and deployment platforms instead of the freelancer who actually built the product. And honestly, most freelancers never even think about this side of the business. That's why more developers and freelancers are starting to use Kuberns. Kuberns is an AI deployment agent that connects to your GitHub repo, understands your stack, provisions infrastructure, configures deployment, and gets the app live automatically. So instead of manually handling deployment setup, fail builds, infrastructure configs, and production issues every time, freelancers can deploy client projects way faster and with way less overhead. But the interesting part is what happens after deployment. Kuberns gives freelancers 40% recurring commission from every active client deployment they bring onto the platform. So if a client is paying $50 per month through Kuberns for infrastructure and cloud usage, the freelancer earns $20 every single month while that client stays active. Now scale that across multiple client projects. Suddenly projects stop becoming one-time payments and start becoming recurring monthly revenue. And joining the partner program is actually simple too. Go to the partners section, submit your details. Most partner accounts get approved within 24 hours. After that, your clients just enter your referral code during onboarding, and the recurring commission starts showing up directly on your dashboard automatically. That completely changes the freelancer model, because now you are not just getting paid to build software, you are also participating in the infrastructure and deployment side of the business. And the workflow itself becomes easier too. The Kuberns AI agent handles deployment and infrastructure automatically, which means less time doing manual DevOps work and more time building, shipping, and taking on more clients. Honestly, this is probably where freelancing is heading. The freelancers using AI across the entire workflow and building recurring revenue streams are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. If you are already building apps for clients, you should probably be owning the deployment side too. That's exactly why more freelancers are starting to use Kuberns right now. Try Kuberns on your next client project.